So we ordered this salmon taco kasi we haven't tried any salmon taco before. Paano ba kayo nito? It's soft taco. Okay, I squeezed in some lime already. This is lime. Or maybe it's an ripe lemon. Pero feeling ko na lime, it's lime. Different smell. Soft taco. Yummy. It has mango, salmon, from cream, lots of herbs and spices, corn. Masarap siya. Tsaka parang may Indian-like taste na herbs. Parang it brings me back to Singapore, which I haven't